Do you even know what Arizona is? Well, we're gonna show you.
Good idea. You're welcome to bring any type of non-alcoholic beverage you like along with your soda. But what we ask is that you have a cap, a top, a lid. You are going on a four-wheel drive off-road adventure. Keywords here, off-road. What we don't want you to bring is an open-top coffee, an open-top smoothie, maybe your dinner. Now you can try to eat dinner on the Jeep. More likely you will wear your dinner on the Jeep. So, if at all possible, we'd ask you to wait till after your tour to have your meal today. If you still need a bottle of water, you can purchase one right here at our retail store. Now we do carry water on the Jeep, but it's only available when you stop and get out. So your container in, we do have a little.
Mountain Ranch.
And you start to see pink and blue sparkles. Maybe your hair starts sticking up on the back of your neck. It's a good time to leave. Because there's a chance that that area might get struck by lightning. This is the off-road part of it. Feels like we're leaning over quite a bit in some of these areas. It feels unsafe. It's because we're only leaning over and we are safe. Yeah, but I got this. So we just had a few major rains, which has been wonderful, because otherwise this would all be dust. We come back with our powder-coated red dirt exfoliant.
We'll be coughing up red dirt.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Nothing like blinking at the end of the day and you see a little puffs of dirt come out. No, it doesn't have good visual.
This is the private land we're on.
This is U.S. Forest Service. So at the U.S. Forest Service, we're in the Coconino National Forest right now. And that's going to be 1.8 million acres. Does anybody know what state is about 1.8 million acres?
Connecticut.
Connecticut! There you go. Good job.
We'll just keep guessing all the surrounding states.
Well, usually I have to say it starts with a C and ends with a net.
This stuff's just beautiful.
This right here, this is agave.
Oh, really?
Yeah, wow.
Those flowers will sprout up. This actually was here from last year. Somebody took the top of the sprout. And it actually regrew this year somehow. Yeah, perfect. Are you talking about tequila or the sweetener?
The sweetener. I love tequila in my coffee. I had to do it before I came on my road. Like I put the sweetener in my coffee.
Yeah. So the sweetener comes from that stalk. And with that, the agave sweetener is low on the glycemic index, which is really good. And this stalk, this is very tiny. This is not normal at all to see this like this. Usually they're like 15, 20 feet tall. They can grow a max of about 6 inches a day. And literally, if you look at that, the bottom part at least, what vegetable does that look like?
Oh, asparagus.
Asparagus. So actually it is in the asparagus family. So what the natives would do, Native Americans would take the stalks, put a bunch of them into a roasting pit, and at that juncture, take them out after 2 or 3 days, probably about 3 days, take them out and eat them. Tastes like a smoky pineapple. And that's where the sweetener comes from. Otherwise, the rest of the plant is used for either mezcal, like this right here, these are Perry's agave. So that'd be used for mezcal. Tequila is the blue agave. Also, you see how spiky the needles are on there. That's a healthy herb. We have a couple sayings around here, since that's cryptobiotic crust. The sayings that we have are going to be, don't bust the crust, because takes 50 to 100 years for that living organism to grow. And also, the other one's going to be tiptoe around the crypto.
Yeah.
With me.
The ranger sees you stepping on that.
Stuff right there, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. If a ranger sees you stepping on that, that's bad news bears. That could be a fine.
Oh.
Oof.
That's why we want people to stay on trail.
Don't go off.
Tiptoe around the crypto. Oh, you know what? Got an idea. How about this? We're gonna have a few people grab some blankets. So while we're up here, everybody, look around. Look at this view. It's getting better and better.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Remember when I first moved here, I'd walk up a hill like this. I'm like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
That's me right now. I know.
You want that open green area over there? That's like this grass right over here. Actually, it's closer to
Just beautiful. That is awesome.
So this is a nice break spot up top right here.
Breaking all the rules.
Yeah, really wild. Check this out. So now we get to see an asparagus up close. Not asparagus, but agave.
Wow. Is it soft?
No, it's pretty. It's
It's
super
tree-like?
thick. Yeah. And with this, if you push on the side of one of these, what is that? Some weird bugs.
Oh.
If you push on the side right here,
Yeah.
you can feel how strong that is. Just watch out. They are very sharp,
Oh wow.
right? They look soft like agave, or not agave, but aloe. Losing my word.
I wonder if we see a lot of plants similar to that in Michigan, but I mean they're plants, but
We don't really get the same thing.
At this point in the tour, our guide Edward took us up to the top of what is called a vortex. It's this rock formation that is known for its healing properties. Now, when we got to the top of the vortex, we laid out a blanket because our guide gave us blankets, and we just laid down. And this is the footage that we took of us just laying down looking up at the Arizona sky, so it was really cool. Interesting thing though, since vortexes are known for their healing properties, prior to getting to Arizona, my lower back was bothering me for some weird reason. So we got up to the top of the vortex, we laid out the blanket, we both laid down, and my lower back started to tingle, and it was kind of weird, so, and it started to feel better. So I don't normally believe in that type of stuff, but it was interesting, and I kind of, whispered to Kristen, yeah, my back is tingling, I don't know, don't think I'm a weirdo, but it was really cool, and, my back started to feel better, but then when we left the vortex, my back started to hurt again.
So this would be metamorphic rock. Anybody know what this one would be?
Sedimentary?
You got it.
All right. I paid attention to Earth science.
And then on the top of the rim, you're gonna have areas over there that are gonna be dark. The black rock, that's gonna be basalt, and that would be. All right, we'll go over.
There's like a thunderstorm over there. We heard it thunder over there. And one of the people that we're with on the tour actually said they just saw lightning too. It looks like tornadoes over here. Like those little clouds coming down. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Thinking about the family feud song. When they're at their peak, that rope right there or that string will be as strong as like dental floss, if not something like a shoestring. Back in the day, Native Americans and still some people till this day will make rope out of it. And that's the plant that the Native Americans first came up with sandals. This area over here,
There's hiking trails.
there are. Cathedral is my favorite, probably my favorite trail here. I'd say we gotta be really, one thing that we gotta be careful of is the road runners out here.
Why?
Well, if there's coyote around, anthills can fall out of the sky.
I was waiting for that.
From that, you're safe.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. She was like, why? I know, I'm such a
I'm all
sucker.
like this.
I just fall right into it, right?
Good choice.
I'll do the Disney thing. Take the left one. It's less crowded. So what do you think so far? Yeah. I am immensely enjoying it. Whoa. That is amazing. Camera does not do it justice yet. Oh, they're hugging the tree. Wow. And you got another look at a cathedral. Wow, man. So I know I just took a shot of this before and I probably said it, but straight ahead here, what they call, oh, my breath. This is what they call Cathedral Canyon, and they do so call it that because that rock formation in the center between both of those two rocks there looks like two hands praying. And our guide said that underneath here, what I'm zooming in on right now, I think he said it was volcanic rock, right? It's volcanic rock right there, so pretty cool. Now behind us is a storm. Got the sun over there. I'm assuming all of you have heard of, you know, Thunder Mountain, Disney World, Disneyland. Apparently, it exists out in nature. That's Thunder Mountain. Right there. There's no roller coaster though. But it gets struck by lightning quite a lot. So for those of you Peanuts fans, if you come to Sedona, Snoopy's gonna be waiting for you right there. And it's called Snoopy Rock. FYI. See you, Snoopy. So we just got off the Pink Jeep tour, and we got a little snack. A chocolate dip Twinkie. How is it? Good. Alright, let me have it. Whoa.
See?
Alright. I haven't had like a Twinkie in forever. This is pretty good, you.
So I'm pretty sure I read about this place, Rocky Mountain Chocolate.
Really good. I was looking at this statue and I keep thinking that this is a real girl. It is not a real girl. It is part of the statue. Just finished a Twinkie. We just finished Pink Jeep tour.
It's amazing.
Amazing, highly recommended. Edward, our guide, was amazing. Took us to a lot of spots.
We got to lay down on one of the vortex, and it just was awesome.
And we just got to lay there and enjoy the silence and so highly recommend it. If you do any tour when you're in Sedona, do Pink Jeep. Plus they're the biggest and they are the best. So right now we're
Finding the car?
trying to get back to the car, and we are gonna try to find something to eat, and it's raining, so I'm turning the camera off. So that is going to do it for us here at the Pink Jeep Tours in Sedona, Arizona. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys out there are in the Arizona, Sedona area and want to take a Pink Jeep tour, we will link the website in the description below the video, so check them out. So at this point in the video, we really didn't film a heck of a lot afterwards. Kristen and I went to dinner at the Oak Creek Brewery and Grill, which was a lot of fun. It was a long wait to get a table, but it was well worth it. We got the Seven Dwarves beer flight, which is presented to us in like 5-ounce miniature beer steins, and we got to try 7 of their beers out, so it was a lot of fun. If you guys are interested in that in the Sedona area, make sure you check out their website. We'll put that in the description below this video as well. So that is going to do it for us here in Sedona. It's on to our next destination in Arizona, which is the Grand Canyon. So be on the lookout for our next video, our first day in the Grand Canyon. We've never been to the Grand Canyon, so it was a lot of fun. Can't wait for you guys to check out the next video.
We put out videos every week, so you guys should stay tuned for all the fun and adventure. You never know where you're going to find us. So remember, like, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any fun and excitement that we're doing. And comment down below. Tell us what you guys think. Did you like our Pink Jeep tour? Did you like our trip to Sedona?
So until next time, remember,
Adventures out there.